Hi, hello friends. Welcome back to Vaanga, Neenga and Ulagam Suthalam YouTube channel. I'm your senthilkumararaja. Happy to see you all. And today we're going to see the Naturhistoriska Museum of Sweden. And there is a plenty of museum here, and this is also one of that. So I'm also never been here before, so this is my first time. So guys, we will watch this one museum, and don't skip the video. Definitely you will like it. The Swedish Museum of Natural History and Cosmonova. You can find the board everywhere. So this is a natural museum from Sweden. Outside view. It's like a very beautiful, amazing. We are about entering to the museum now. They are having a panda beer. Just in the front side, they're having this much width of the tree. They cut the center part. So this is just the beginning from the fossil and evolutions of the dinosaurs. Oh, the Jurassic Park. It's not a Jurassic Park, it's a museum. There is a plenty of dinosaurs skeletons. Plenty of skeletons here. Oh, they're making a sound like a dinosaur's walk. Okay, it will be in the water, right?
Yeah, and it can also breathe outside, only a little bit.
Just a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay, even I don't know. My son knows very much. So looks like this is dinosaur's teeth. This is the other one more fossil here. So this one looks a real dinosaur skeleton. Yeah, I touched my real skeleton. Look like real. This is mammoth elephant during the Dinosaurs period. This is ancient human. So they make dinosaurs footsteps everywhere. It looks like real polar bear, but it's not real. What is this? Something made it here, but this looks like a real bone. These are all the real bones, I guess. Why? I guess it's real because they having a measuring tape and they have pointing the mark over there like in numbers. This is like a solar system. So how it works? This everything like symbolically explaining by the models. This corner. Hi, hello friends. I hope you like the video today. Naturhistoriska Museum, Sweden. Even I like it, my kids all like it. There is so many useful things inside the museum, like a dinosaurs, polar bear, so many things. Even the food courts are very useful for the kids to improve their knowledge. Sometimes you also guys come and visit this place. Very beautiful, wonderful, nice. And we will see you in the next amazing video. Till then, I am your senthilkumararaja. Stay tuned. Vaanga, Neenga, Ulagam YouTube channel. Love you all. Bye.